In this example, you are asked to find the volume of solid form by rotating the region bounded by y equal to x squared plus 1 and y equal to 9 minus x squared. And there are two parts. One part is about y-axis and one part is about x-axis. And you will find that the method to find volume of solid form by rotating about y-axis and by rotating about x-axis, the answer is quite different. First, you can draw a rough sketch of the graph of x squared plus 1. If you write x squared plus 1, 9 minus x squared, you can draw a rough sketch of the graph. X squared plus 1 look like this. Here 1. 9 minus x squared will be inverted. And here will be minus 3, here will be 3. Because if you set 9 minus x squared to 0, you get x squared is 9, x is plus or minus 3. So you cut at minus 3 and 3. And here should be 9, because here you sub x at 0. And then you can solve for intersection points. If you draw the two curves together, right, then you should expect to have intersection. So you have to find out what's the x value at the intersection points, and also the y value. So you consider y equal to x squared plus 1 as equation 1, and y equal to 9 minus x squared as equation 2. And then you can say x squared plus 1 is 9 minus x squared. And then you can put x squared term together. 2x squared equal to 8, x squared equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. And then you can check when x is 2, y is 5. When x is minus 2, y is also 5. So intersection points is 2, 5, and minus 2, 5. So with that, you help you to sketch a graph, and then you know what's the region. You'll find that the region you are looking at should be this region. The area bounded, the region bounded by this, the two regions, the volume of solid form by the region bounded by x squared plus 1, 9 minus x squared should be this region. Let's draw the graph. So here is minus 2, here is 2. The intersection point is 2 and minus 2. And this point is actually minus 2, 5. This point is actually 2, 5. Here is 9, here is 1. Here is minus 3, here is 3. So we'll be looking at this region. We'll be looking at the shaded region. Rotating the shaded region about y-axis, about x-axis. You can try out part 1 and part 2 first. I'll give you the answer in the next 2 videos. One for y-axis, rotating about y-axis, one for rotating about x-axis.